You know those adorable teacher videos where they show you all of the super cute things they put in their teacher bag? This is not one of those. I bring too much stuff. So this video is all about my awesome teacher cart. I just knocked something over. Hello, my time crunch teachers, Marielle here, and today's teaching tip is all about my DIY'd teacher cart that is crazy strong and has lasted me for years. I'm gonna show you exactly how I put this beauty together. And yes, it's not cute, but does it matter? No, it doesn't, because it carries all my stuff. For years, I bought those foldable teacher carts that every teacher has, well, like us and like insurance reps, and they always broke or cracked, or they couldn't like handle all the stuff I was carrying, or the handle would get stuck and not go down anymore. And I ended up buying a ton of them and they never lasted. So I thought there's gotta be a better way. And so this is what I Frankensteined together. Here's what you need. You need a lightweight folding hand truck. I'm doing my absolute best to show what it looks like. This one is called Magna Cart. History teachers, how could you not? You also need a small milk crate and some zip ties. Here's what I did. I just took the cart, put the milk crate on it, and then I put some zip ties on the back to hold it against here, and then a couple on the bottom so it wouldn't slide side to side. This one happened to come with a bungee cord that wrapped around that sometimes I use it to hold the crate and sometimes I pull it over the top to like hold extra stuff on the top. If you don't want to zip tie it so that you can actually take the crate off of the cart, you can certainly do that and just use the bungees. That way, if you wanted to fold it up, you could, but to be honest, this is like so lightweight, and because the handle telescopes, it totally fits in the back of my car. It's not a problem. You can pick up these folding hand trucks for around 40 to 50 bucks at most big box stores, and the milk crate's probably like, what, 3 to 6 bucks? And I know what you're thinking, why would I spend $50 to $60 on a teacher cart? Well, first of all, how many teacher bags do you have? And how many folding carts have you broken? And secondly, this thing can hold 150 pounds. I don't know what you'll be hauling that's 150 pounds. Maybe it's your student teacher, but it doesn't matter because it's awesome. You can load this up with whatever you want. I once moved a little mini refrigerator with it. So if you sat through this whole video and you're like, I have no idea why this lady made an entire video about a teacher cart, then you probably don't want to watch this video, which is all about pencils. But if you got this far and you like my ideas, then check out this video that shows you all of the awesome ways I save time and money setting up my classroom. This thing's amazing. Who wouldn't want it?